Make a great choice today with the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display, trip computer, rear window defroster. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.